everyone, welcome back. I got another Boxy charm, but this is something new. This is their beauty like box, not makeup per se. It's like cleansing, face mask, you know, stuff like that. It's more along the lines of keeping your skin clean. So this is the new one. I picked this up. It's not a subscription. It's just something they had that you could choose to get. So that's what I got. So I'm happy to see everybody here. How is everybody today? And I just love being here with you guys. I just love the interaction. So comment below on what different beauty boxes you want me to see. So far I'm doing Boxy Charm and the Slam Glam or something like that. But let's get into this Boxy Charm. This is to deal with cleansing. Alright, right off the bat, this is how it is. So this is how it's all presented. You could tell it's all to deal with cleaning the skin. Alright, let's get into this. I got a night cream. Oh, I need a night cream. So this is a night cream. Oh, I never heard of this. Advanced Skincare Superfood Night Cream. Prebiotic night cream. Okay, interesting. I do need a night cream. What is this? Oh, okay. This is cool. It has like a little thing so it doesn't squirt out. So let's try it. This is a night cream. Ooh, it's green. Has a green tint to it. It smells like eucalyptus. That's what it smells like to me. Ooh, I like that. Nice. Very smooth. I like that a lot. Feels so... I mean, I'm just using it on my hand, but it feels nice. So that is nice. I like that. So that would be my new night cream to try out. That's why I like getting these boxes. When they said they have a skincare one, I was like, okay, I want to try that. And I had to show you all because I love getting surprise stuff. Alright. Next in here is Kapori Coconut Cleansing Oil. Purify and replenish. Silicone free, non-GMO, paraffin free, phosphate free. Comes in this cute little pink. Let's try this out. It's a coconut oil. So let's... Cleansing oil? How does that work? Look how cute that is. Has a little pump. Directions. Pump into hands and massage onto wet or dry face for 30 seconds. Or until makeup is removed. Rinse with warm water. Use AM and PM. Okay. Ooh. It's oil. Like literally oil. So let's massage. We have to rinse it, but ooh, it smells good though. It doesn't smell like coconut, but it smells good. Really nice. So that will be another cleanser I got. So I got a nighttime cream and a cleanser. I like that. Because in my other Boxy Charm beauty, you know, just all different things you get. The regular one, I got a cleanser in that one too. This one is Glam Glow Super Serum. Oh, 6 acid refining treatment. Ooh, very nice. So does, oh my god, I can't even. Apply to dry skin, face, morning and night. Follow with a, whoa, lost. So let's try this. Kind of interested in what this is all about. I definitely need this for fine lines and stuff. Refining treatment. Hollywood, California. Just with like, does this bigger? Oh, I can't even read that. Let me put on my glasses if I have them here, because I can't see. All right, so apply to clean face morning and night. Follow with a moisturizer. Okay, so you put this on dry skin after you wash it. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh, it's nice. I like that. Yeah, I like the consistency. It's not like, doesn't burn. So it's like a 6-acid refined treatment. So, cool. And it doesn't burn either. Like, you know, those acid treatments or whatever, they burn. This is cute. I do like that. See, all the surprises you get, I love it. I like to be surprised. Okay. This is a grape water Soothes Moisturizes. Now, what is this? Fragrance free. Is this for something like a misting spray? Hydrate. This might be like a hydrate Caliday. Hydrating. Sensitive skin. Soothes and moisturizes. Oh. It's like a little water spray, like a hydrate maybe. It's just like a fresh hydrating mist. If you want to mist yourself. That's cool. I like that. This is a Jelly Beam Ferociously. Apply on skin for an illuminated look. Lightly tap finger into the product, then swipe onto desired area and blend using fingers or brush. For best coverage, using fingers for applying and blending. Can be mixed in with foundation or moisturizer. Use over or under makeup. Okay, let's see what this is. Some of these they're so tiny. I can't even open it. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna rip it. Get this open. Oh, let's see. It's like a glow. Look at the packaging. It's so cute. Okay, open it. What the heck? Jelly Beam. Is that a... I had a feeling it was a luminizer. Oh, is it that way? I'm here struggling and it has tape. What is wrong with me? They tape their stuff and I don't have nails anymore. It's in a package. I don't know why they taped it. Okay, the struggle is real here. I'm like bending my nail as we speak. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a twist one. Ooh, it's a jelly. Weird. It's like a highlighting cream, like. Okay, let's see how this looks. Never saw this before. It's interesting. That's why I like to get new things, because it's interesting to try. Ooh, feels good on the skin. Yeah, it's like a highlighter. Like, you know, to highlight. But it's like a cream. Or jelly, like. It almost looks like pudding. I'll take that off. Yeah, it's like a highlighter, see? Okay, so this is interesting. Needless to say. Okay, I put that back in the box. I just ripped it to shreds. So that's very interesting. These are all like full-size products. This one here is Rub-A-Dub. Refining Peel and Gel. Rub-A-Dub. This is Saturate Skin. This is cool. So let's see what this... cleanse and then pat dry. Gently apply to face and rub into a circular motion. For 1 minute, rinse clean with warm water. Maybe be used once or twice a week. Well, it's like a peel. Sounds to me. This is a cute packaging. It has like a little ducky. So let's see what this is all about. Oh, it has like a... So this is very good because I can always use a peel. Okay, let's see what this smells like. Oh, and it has like little... Oh, it's a scrub. Okay, it's a scrub. Very, very light too. It's... Oh, this is cool. Oh, this just taking the dead skin off me. Look at this. I remember going into the mall and they were showing me something like this. That you could just look at, like, look at all the dead skin. It's kind of gross, but look at it. This is, and it's very light. That is so freaking cool. This is what and it leaves fresh. Your fresh skin. Oh, that's what somebody was showing me. Okay. Now I get it. So you put it on, let it sit, and then you can roll, if you want, roll off the dead skin and then rinse. That is cool. And I got 2 Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Masks. Got 2 of these. And the last thing I got is this cosmetic, what is this? Oh, it's a roller for your skin. It helps with the fine line and wrinkles. It's a jade. It's like real jade. And roll. But you do it with your face, and this is for the right line. That's cool. So let's get in. That's it. Nothing else is in the package. So let's get in to what we got. All right. For the Rub-A-Dub. Okay. Rub-A-Dub Peel Gel. This is $28. Just buy that. And you know what? You know it is a peel. Super Night Cream, which is this. $45. Wow. Already, like just with this alone, I didn't even pay that for this. I paid $40 for this. Super 65 Super Serum. Is it Glam Glow? Glam Glow. $65 for this. We got way our price worth for this. The set of 2 is $16 for the watermelon sheets. Jelly Bean, this highlighter is $40. The coconut oil is $32. The jade roller is $32. And the grape water Oh, it helps in, okay, I just wanted to read this one. Increase hydration and reduce redness. So it's like a toner. Yeah. Moisturizes too. Soothing and moisturizes. So this is $10. So let's add this all together, shall we? Very, very interesting. Let's add this. Okay, 28, 45, 65, 16, 40, 32, oops, sorry, 32, 32, and 10. $268 worth of product, and I paid, I believe, $40 plus shipping and stuff, or was it a little more? I don't know about that. That is like a great deal. So as a recap, I just love these. This is awesome, and I had to get this. This is not like this monthly box or anything. This has just happened, like, hey, would you like to purchase this, when I went on the site. So recap: the jade roller, 2 of the masks, the peel gel, which is amazing, refining treatment, can't even hold this, night cream, highlighter, like a toner. This is like a toner. And this is cleansing oil. Not bad. So I got all of that in my, I would say, skin treatment. That's basically what it is, skin treatment box. So that is it. It for this box, and I really love it. I'm gonna have to go more often to see if there's any special boxes. This is kind of like a special thing. This is something extra that you want to do, but I like it. It's cute. So I'm happy. I love all the stuff. So that's it. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Thank you for being here with me, supporting my channel, supporting me on my journey, and I would love comments on what you think and what you would like for me to film. And don't forget, I film different things, not just makeup or fashion. I do all around different things. So I do vlogs, so just put your comments below. It would be nice. I like to hear from y'all. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell in the corner, and so you know when I post, and have an awesome day. Until the next time, love you all.